the job that I wanted to do is essentially to seal the side. We have the windshield and the back shield, so we want to seal the side, and we want to have a door. It looked like it would do the job. So I got doors from Seismic for this Ranger. And I want to take just a minute and show you how easy it is to put these on. It really is very, very easy. If you looked at it and thought about it and said, gosh, I got to pay someone to do it. No, it's very easy. I'm going to show you just how easy it is. Now, when you open up the box from Seismic, if this is what you're using, and I'm sure others are much the same, you're going to find a lot of parts in there. I'm going to guess there's probably 100 parts altogether, kind of nuts and bolts and washers and bits and pieces. A lot of parts. But they have a very, very good instructions on it. And along the line, they also have how-to videos. There are 3 basic components. The first, of course, is the door itself. So the door consists of a tubular frame. A frame that goes all the way around like that. And there's a bar through the middle. Has a handle on it right here. Very, very simple to install. You can put the 3 or 4 pieces together, a couple of bolts, the handle bolts in, very easy. And then it has, of course, the fabric. And this fabric is held on by Velcro. Easy too. So you put the fabric over and squeeze the Velcro on and you get your door. Now this particular model is kind of nice because this is the bottom, this is the top. It comes apart. So if you want to, you can take the top window off, if you like, and just have the bottom on. If it's a nice day, you want to ride around, you want to get a protection, but you don't need the whole darn thing. So that's the door. We're going to call that part 1. Okay, put that over there out of the way. Now, the door has to be held onto the Ranger in some way. And in order to do that, they supply you with another tubular frame. That's it, right there. Just about that simple. It is really, it's 1, 2, 3 pieces of tubing. And it bolts together there, and it bolts together over there. It's just that simple. And then there are 2 or 3 brackets on it that attach to your machine. And it's really solid once it's on there. I'm going to put this frame on, and then show it to you afterwards. So as I mentioned, there's a bracket down here, fastens to the floor with a floor bolt. It bolts to this post, comes up, join. And right up here, there's a clamp, goes around the big bar. This goes over and clamps to that, runs along here like this. There's a hook that goes around the back, clamps to that. This piece goes down like that. There's a bracket that fastens there. It's done. There's your frame. Now, I was really impressed when I did the other side at how stable this is. Okay? That simple little frame, which would look like a bunch of bits and pieces in the box originally, is now a solid frame for the doors. The hinges are right here, the door hangs there, and we just got to put the skirt on. We're going to call it the skirt, okay? And then the skirt, we haven't got this completely tucked in yet. We'll do that a little later. Tuck it in nice and snugly all the way around, seals up. Door hangs on the 2 hinges. It's got a latch. It's about to do, look at that. Okay, meantime, let's go for a ride. All ready for the winter. Here you go, guys. I don't know if you thought about having one of these, but if you have, you can see now it's actually pretty simple.